this roller wrap. I don't want to do it. I think I'm ready to go. I'm not looking forward to sitting in the dryer. Hi curl friends, it's Naturally Shanice, your favorite curl friend and mom bestie, guiding you on your natural and healthy hair journey and your best mom life. Today is the day that I am doing a roller wrap. This is probably one of my most requested videos, is to redo the roller wrap that I did, I believe, in late 2018, or it might have been in 2019 when my hair was in an official taper. Now, I must say that before we even get started, listen, roller wraps, rods, flexi sets, they're not really my thing or what I feel like I do. I feel like I can just never get it right. It's that hairstyle that I keep coming back to. I keep trying every few months, and for some reason, I'm never 100% pleased with it, okay? So I just wanted to give that disclaimer here. You're truly coming with me on this rod set journey, okay? So bear with me. I am not an expert, but I think you can learn from me, okay? So with that said, let's get started. This rod set, I'm trying something new that I've never tried before. I actually blow dried my hair out a little bit and straightened it a little bit. I see a lot of other like YouTubers and natural hair bloggers straightening their hair or just kind of just stretching it with just a little bit of heat because it provides like a more silkier, smooth, bouncier curl, and that's what I want. So in the past when I've done this style, I feel like for me, my mistake was doing it on completely wet hair. The results are that it's harder for me to actually take a small rod and wrap it around. Same thing with the flexi set because it's shrinking and our hair is just really slippery. Another disadvantage that I find with doing it soaking wet is that the shrinkage on the curl, even after it's dry, you have really, really tight. I'm trying it with blow dried hair out. I'm changing up my products to just 2 products. I'll be using the Doux. What is it? We Want Easy Texture Tamer. This is a leave-in. And then the Doux Mousse Def. Okay, so I'll be using these 2 products here. And I'm excited about this products because they're light, they don't have buildup, and this is made, the leave-in is made for a smooth, it's like smooth lotion, and it's also a heat protector. And then this is just definition. I mean, come on, if you don't know the Doux, like this is legit one of the best foams out here. Okay.
In addition to the Doux products, I'll be using Pattern Beauty's Jojoba hair serum. I'm also using 4 different size hair rods because of the various lengths of my hair. So if you have different lengths throughout your hair, I would highly recommend you buying multiple rod sizes so that you can have the best curl for each length of your hair. I'm starting out by separating out my hair in sections. Do you guys remember like the old school roller sets? This is what I tried to model here, but you'll see as we move on that it didn't work. So what I'm starting off with is just a little bit of leave-in conditioner, followed up by the Mousse Def high definition foam, and I'm just using a little bit. When I'm placing the foam and leave-in conditioner on my hair, I'm really concentrating on the ends. This is really important because your ends are going to make or break your roller set. So once again, here I'm applying to the ends and throughout the top of my hair. I'm going to follow it up with the hair mousse. And then I'm just going to make sure my hair is as smooth as possible. This could be done by using a small tooth comb like me, by using a detangler brush, a denim brush, and then I just roll up. You'll see that I'm not really doing a fancy roll. I know that some people like to twist their hair or, roll it a particular way to help improve the spiral curl when it's dry. I'm just literally rolling up as tightly as possible from the ends. No special twirl or turn in it. Just a traditional roller set. And so once again here, you're seeing me really smooth out my hair. I put the roller in on the ends of my hair, and I'm trying to get it as tight as possible. With these rods, I find that sometimes they get kind of loose. And so as you come up to your scalp, just be sure to tug it underneath 1 or 2 times so that it's as tight as possible. Another reason why you want to do that is because it's going to keep your roots smooth and flat so that you don't have, kind of like puffy roots. I'm starting to move to the back of my hair, and you'll notice that I'm using the purple rods. The purple rods are perfect. They're not the smallest rods, but they're perfect for, you know, kind of like medium length hair, which is what I have right here. And I know that I have the right rod size when you can roll it multiple times. If you cannot roll the hair rod multiple times throughout your hair, go down in the size. That way you can get that spiral curl that you're looking for. I once made this mistake in the past by using rods that were too big, and I couldn't figure out why my hair wasn't spiral. I needed to go down a size. So once again, if you can't wrap the rod around your hair multiple times, go down a size. You'll also see here that I'm doing pretty big sections as well. I did not want to take hours doing this by doing small sections, and I was already really slow with it. So I'm doing really big sections here. The downside to big sections is that the drying time is obviously going to take longer because you're doing bigger, more thicker sections. And here's the finished results of the rods.
All right, the rods are in, all the rollers are in. I really just can't believe I just did this. Like, it was so much work, you guys. My shoulders are on fire, but they're in. I think I got everything pretty smooth. I noticed right off the bat that it was so much easier manipulating the rollers and my hair from having it blow dried. So I highly recommend, you know, maybe just stretching out your hair a little bit. You don't have to use a whole bunch of high heat or get directly on it. You just want just enough. I used a warm setting and I just went like this through it. So this was here, not like directly on it like a Dominican blowout. And it stretched out my hair perfectly. So I was able to get nice and smooth, I think, we'll see. And now I'm gonna sit underneath the dryer. It's the middle of the day. I'm not sleeping in rollers, did that as a child, hated it. I also hate the dryer, which is why I never ever do rod sets, but I'm gonna do the dryer. Hopefully it doesn't take long to dry. Here I go, I'm going underneath the dryer. My good old golden hot dryer that I've had, look at this. This thing is going strong. Hey, golden hot. I hate sitting underneath the dryer, you guys. I hate it. But since my hair is not soaking wet, maybe it won't take that long. I hate it. I did it. My hair is dry. I sat underneath the dryer. And let me tell you, I'm kind of excited. Listen, here's a sneak peek. Hello, curl. Ooh. We're completely dry. Look, oh, look how bouncy that is. Delicious. I can't wait. Okay, so this is what's gonna happen next. We're going to take down all of the rods, then we're going to separate out each of the curls using Pattern Beauty Jojoba Hair Serum.
Taking down the rods are perhaps one of the most easiest steps. I just start, unhook it, and unravel it by using a twirl motion so that you get the spiral effect as seen here. And you just really want to go through and do that all the way through. I wait to separate out my curls until all the rods are out. It's just a lot easier for separating. I really can't believe how well these rods came out. My hair is smooth, it's soft, and overall, I'm really, really pleased with the results. This is by far one of the best rod sets that I have ever done. So here, I just started off by using Pattern Beauty's Jojoba Hair Serum, and the first thing I like to do is just a nice scalp massage. A scalp massage is really going to stimulate hair growth, is going to stimulate your hair follicles as well as moisturize your scalp, which is very important for overall healthy hair, and a healthy hair starts with a healthy scalp. So don't forget to do your oil scalp massages, okay? And so to take down, I really just smooth out each section with my hands with oil on the fingertips. And then I start at the bottom of the hair and I work the oil in, especially focusing on the ends of my hair. This is really important if you want those smooth finished results. And then I just go through and I separate out each section into very small sections and curls by wrapping the curl around my finger, as seen here.
I did it! Yay! We have soft.
Okay, I'm seriously obsessed, and I'm kind of upset that it's taken me this long to redo this rod set, but it's came out beautiful. So now for the finishing touch, I'm just taking my pick and loosening up from the roots, being very careful not to tear apart the whole curl and actually, you know, kind of comb through your hair with the pick. Just focus on lifting up from the roots.
That's it. I'm done, and overall, I love the results. I love the results. This is by far the best rod set that I have ever done. And for me, the main thing and reason why this rod set was successful is because I believe my hair was straightened. My hair is soft, it's stretched, I have the bounce that I want in the curls, the front is nice and big, the back took to the rollers very well. And overall, I'm just thoroughly happy with it. So I don't know if I mastered, but drastic improvement in my rod set. And again, I think that it's the straightening of the hair or, well, the blow drying of the hair as to why this turned out so well. I was really concerned too because my ends, I did a trim a few weeks ago, but I wasn't quite certain how my ends were gonna turn out, and overall, I'm happy. There are areas where I know that I need a, there we go. There are areas that I know I need a trim, but there's nothing I can do about that now with COVID-19. Just keep your hair, all I have to do is keep my hair moisturized, hydrated, use my deep conditioner, detangle properly until I can get back to a salon. Okay, so I hope that you guys enjoyed this rod set. As always, if you have questions, drop them in the comments below. I'll be sure to answer. You can subscribe to my channel if you like what you see. If you are a returning curl friend who's been rocking with me from the beginning, thank you for continuing to rock with me. Be sure to turn on the bell notifications. New tutorials drop every Sunday night at 8:30 p.m. Eastern. And in the middle of the week until Sundays, you can follow me on my Instagram account, watch me in my stories with my kids, and watch how, I take care of this hair. Anyhow, I'll see you guys later. Bye, curl friends.